You do a wiggle. Shake.
You can't always just do the big finish.
We just skipped a song and do the finish.
Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
He's standing for a while. That's the longest time he's been standing for.
And C.
Very pretty.
Uh-oh. That's probably not a good
No
idea.
table dancing.
No table
No
dance.
table dancing, especially when you're holding a pole. This doesn't look good, Charles.
Yes. Charlotte's doing a pole dance.
Get down and do a little wiggle for me.
Bless you.
And a bow. Say thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.